Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Kristen and I'm obsessed with the fall time, and so many of you guys, my viewers, are as well. So I asked, do you guys want to see what I do for kind of my pre-fall decor? And a lot of you said yes. So I know pre-fall decor sounds absolutely ridiculous to people who aren't obsessed with fall.
Can't relate.
But I did this last year, and actually for me what pre-fall decor is just sprinkling in a handful of things that have sort of a fall vibe but aren't necessarily like orange pumpkins or red leaves or something like that. Just kind of like transitional style decor, if that makes sense. And this will be really good inspiration if you're somebody who likes to do very little amounts of decorating without like the orange pumpkins and the leaves, or if you're somebody who likes to use natural materials, because I have quite a few more like natural things in my decor right now. Or if you're like me and you have a significant other who's lenient but not that lenient, but they want pumpkins and stuff like in mid-August, then this may be something that they can get behind. First, I'm going to light up an apple scented candle. Apple is a great transitional scent if you aren't ready for the spicy and heavy pumpkin just yet. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean my surfaces down that I'm decorating. I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface cleaner, which I have raved and raved and raved about. I think it's so good and I highly recommend it. I'll leave it linked in the description box below, and it complements this candle really well. So I am going to clean down my tables and then I will clean down my kitchen counters. So now that my surfaces are all clean, I am going to start decorating. I'm putting down these placemats that I got in the springtime from Williams-Sonoma on sale, but if I can find them online, I will link them below. And then on top, I'm going to put my new chargers. I will be hauling these in my next video, so stick around for that. If I can find them online, I will link them below, and I got them for $1.79 on sale. So for the center of the table, I'm going to put this cake stand, which came from Hobby Lobby during the spring clearance recently. And on top, I'm going to put these squash that I picked up fresh from the farmer's market. These are in season and they are not pumpkins, although they do look like them. So I think they're totally appropriate because they're in season and they're just so neutral. I love the look of them. They're giving me fall vibes. So around them, I'm going to put these silver dollar eucalyptus clippings. These were fresh at one point from a week or two ago, but they're wilting. So I clipped them and I'm just surrounding my squash with them because I just love the look of this eucalyptus. And so I want to use them for as long as I can, but I am on the hunt for some artificial silver dollar eucalyptus. So if you have any suggestions on where I can find that, please leave a comment below letting me know. Now we are at my coffee table and I decorated this tray. I couldn't help but put that little Dollar Tree pumpkin because it's so little and neutral. I don't think it's doing too much at all. I also put together this little floral arrangement out of flowers that I picked up in a bouquet at the farmer's market for $7. And this is what they looked like before. I trimmed them all down and put them in my own vase. And I even had some left over to decorate another area of my home. So it was like getting 2 bouquets for one. And I just love the colors of this. They're so summery, but still fall as well with that sunflower, and I'm just absolutely loving the way it looks. So in the background you can see my blanket ladder, and I added that yellow blanket to it. It was on my couch before, that is my summer blanket, but I wanted to add something cozier to my couch. You'll see it in a second, but I decided to leave this yellow one out for the rest of summer just to have that pop of color. And right next door, I have my growler bottle out with some eucalyptus stems and cotton. I love cotton for fall, but the eucalyptus still keeps it fresh for the end of summer. And the eucalyptus is from Pier 1 and the cotton is from Dollar Tree, actually. So on my couch, here's that cozy fall blanket that I decided to add. It just gives me the cozy vibes. And I am loving it. It's so, so cute. And in my kitchen, here are those leftover flowers I was talking about. I wasn't going to let them go to waste, and I love the vibrant kind of fuchsia color. It's summery in a way, but it's also kind of fall-ish, and it was just a really cheap and easy way to add that transitional decor to my kitchen. So that is it for my pre-fall decor. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and got some ideas for what you can do right now if you are in the fall mood. You want to kind of slowly transition into the more heavy fall decor that I cannot wait to break out. If you guys want to see a video of me like pulling out my fall stuff and going through it, let me know, because I'm going to do that soon. I just want to assess what I have. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope to see you back in another video. Bye.